Hi, welcome to Sunil Maths tutorial. In this video, we learn about probability generating function, which is also simply notated by PGF, probability generating function, and it is notated by PGF, right? If capital X is a random variable which takes discrete values, capital X is a random variable which takes only discrete values 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. With respect to probabilities P0, P1, P2, and so on, then we define the PGF of capital X, Px of t as follows. It means the PGF probability generating function of a random variable capital X is denoted by the symbol Px of t. Is denoted by the symbol Px of t. And here capital X takes only discrete values. Capital X takes only discrete values 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, whose respective probabilities are P0, P1, P2, P3, and so on. The probability generating function of a random variable capital X is denoted by Px of t and defined as follows. Px of t is equals to expectation of t power x. Px of t is equals to expectation of t power x. This is nothing but summation over x, t power x, probability of x, t power x, p of x. Some authors written like this, which is equals to summation over x, t power x into probability of capital X is equals to small x. Capital X is equals to small x. So the probability generating function is denoted by Px of t and defined as Px of t is equals to expectation of t power x, which is equals to summation over x, t power x, p of x. Here p of x is nothing but probability of the random variable capital X at the point small x. So that's it. So now let us learn a theorem which depends upon PGF. This is nothing but the mean and variance. The mean and variance of the random variable by using the PGF definition, probability generating function definition, and which is very, very important for 5 mark section. See the statement: if the random variable capital X has PGF Px of t. If the random variable capital X has the probability generating function Px of t, then expectation of x is equals to Px dash of 1, Px dash of 1, and variance of x is equals to Px double dash of 1 plus Px dash of 1 minus Px dash of 1 whole square. You have to understand these symbols. Px dash of 1, Px double dash of 1. Px dash of 1 means this is the first derivative of Px of t at x is equals to 1, and Px double dash of 1, it means the second derivative of Px of t, at the point x is equals to 1. So anyway, we prove these statements. So capital X is a random variable which has PG of Px of t, then it has the following properties. Expectation of x is equals to Px dash of 1. Variance of x is equals to Px double dash of 1 plus Px dash of 1 minus Px dash of 1 whole square. Let us prove these two statements. By the definition of probability generating function, we have Px of t is equals to expectation of t power x. Px of t is equals to expectation of t power x. Now let it be equation number 1. Now differentiating equation 1 with respect to t, observe the variable. Now differentiating equation 1 with respect to t, we get, if you differentiate this equation number 1, you get in the left side d by dt of Px of t. D by dt of Px of t. In the left side, you get d by dt of Px of t. That can be written as simply Px dash of t. Px dash of t. Observe that. We are differentiating equation 1 with respect to t. So d by dt of Px of t can be written as Px dash of t. That is in the left side of equation 1. So what is in the right side? So in the right side, now you observe that. Here we have in equation 1, right side, expectation of t power x. We have expectation of t power x. So d by dt of expectation of t power x. This is nothing but expectation of d by dt of t power x. D by dt of t power x. Here we are differentiating with respect to t. So it can be written as expectation of x into t power x minus 1. Expectation of x into e power t power x minus 1. Here the same step we have. Observe that. I repeat this step. Please observe carefully. In the right side of equation 1, we are differentiating with respect to t. We get expectation of e of t power x. E of t power x. So this is nothing but expectation of d by dt of t power x. We are differentiating with respect to t. So we get expectation of x into t power x minus 1. You can write either capital X or small x. There is no worries about it. There is no worries about it. So you can write either small x or capital X. Let it be equation number 2. Now put t is equals to 1 in equation 2. Put t is equals to 1 in equation 2. Substitute the value of t is equals to 1 in equation 2. We get the first condition. Px dash of 1 is equals to Px dash of 1 is equals to expectation of x. That is the required first property. That is the required first property, which is nothing but mean of the random variable. Mean of the random variable. That's all. Now differentiate equation 2 again with respect to t. Differentiate equation 2 with respect to t. In the left side, we have px dash of t. So again, you are differentiating. You get px double dash of t. Already we have first derivative in equation 2. Again, we are differentiating. So you get px double dash of t. Px double dash of t. In the right side, you have. So again, d by dt of expectation of x into t power x minus 1. Again, you are differentiating. This is nothing but expectation of d by dt of x into t power x minus 1. We are differentiating with respect to t. So x is treated as constant. We get this expectation of small x into x minus 1 into t power x minus 2. T power x minus 2. That's it. So please observe that. Here it is. Equation number 3. After differentiating with respect to t, we get equation number 3. Again, put t is equals to 1 in equation 3. Put t is equals to 1 in equation 3. We get px double dash of 1 is equals to expectation of x minus x. This is nothing but expectation of x square minus x. Again, this is nothing but expectation of x square minus expectation of x. We know that expectation of x plus y is equals to expectation of x plus expectation of y. So by using that formula, here you can write like this. Expectation of x square minus x can be written as expectation of x square minus expectation of x. Equation number 4. By the definition of variance of x, what we have? What is the definition of variance? Variance of x is equals to expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. By the definition of variance, we have, this is just a formula of variance of x. In terms of mathematical expectation, expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. So we get expectation of x square. We are adding expectation of x and subtracting expectation of x. Please observe that. Here we are adding and subtracting expectation of x. So what is this? Expectation of x square minus expectation of x is equals to px double dash of 1. Expectation of x square minus expectation of x is nothing but here you get equation number 4. Expectation of x square minus expectation of x is equals to px double dash of 1. Px double dash of 1. These two terms can be written as px double dash of 1. And from the first condition, what is expectation of x? Px dash of 1. So expectation of x square means px dash of 1 whole square. So variance of x is equals to px double dash of 1 plus px dash of 1 minus px dash of 1 whole square. So these are two important formulas according to the definition of probability generating function. Wish you all the best. Keep learning.